Good morning, this is Bob from St. Albert Honda. I wanted to do a quick walk around video of this 2021 Toyota 4Runner. This is the TRD Offroad. This one is accident free. I'll try and point out any blemishes I see on the vehicle. I see a little scratching in there. This one's got 70,000 kilometers on it. The rims are all in really good shape on this one. No curbing on anything there, I can tell. A little bit of rub right there. Yeah, it's in really nice condition though. Windshield's not cracked. I'll show you the interior here as well. This one is leather, of course. This one does have the sunroof, the heated seats, the navigation, all the safety stuff, lane departure, forward collision mitigation. If you have any questions on this one, you can reach me on my direct line at 780-932-7355. Thank you.